Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thanks for watching this live stream with Mr. M. Dude, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good, man. Guys, by the way, we are testing out. We changed the setting on the mic because it was glitching. So I have my headset on. Let me know if you have any cracks in the mics because they should be gone, right?
Exactly, and then he's listening to it, so if there's any kind of cracks, he'll hear it. And yeah, so a little bit of adjustment. He's going to be wearing headphones from now on. Right?
Exactly. But how am I? Oof, I think the Hopium is finishing. I mean, I'm supposed to be the one bringing you the tank.
I know, exactly.
It's empty, man.
Exactly. What happened, man? What happened? I gave you some Hopium earlier this morning.
I know.
I sent you a video from Mark Moss, and it was full of Hopium. But you ran out.
I'm running out. That's it. Legit.
I couldn't believe it.
Legit running out. I mean, I'm not saying it's finished, but we're getting there.
Wow.
Bitcoin, if you're listening.
Wow. That's shocking, man. That's shocking. But let's see if we can get some Hopium in, right? Because refill the tank. But you know what? Honestly, there's the news and articles and charts that we have to show you. Some will fill the tank, some will empty it.
Somewhat.
So, yeah, prepare. But hey, stay frosty and alert, right?
Exactly.
And 5x5, right? You know, that's that term, stay frosty and alert and 5x5 all comes from one movie. Can somebody type into the comment section what movie that was coming from?
I know. Type it.
Let's see if somebody can get it. All right. With that said, right? It's time to take the Royal Express elevator to hell.
Pretty much what's happening, right? In the market.
and we're gonna be hitting the like because you know what? Even though the tank's empty, right? We're still happy to be here, right? And then you want to get to 250 likes to extend the show so you can get some more questions. If you've got some questions, make sure you leave it. We're actually watching the you guys chat, and then we're marking good questions to be answered later on. All right. With that said, right? Make sure you hit the subscribe on Mr. M's podcast.
Oh, look at Joe.
Right? Yeah, that's boom. The greatest movie of all times.
You know it. Yeah.
My mommy told me there's no such thing as monsters. No real ones, but there are.
Have you seen the new one, by the way? They've got a new Aliens. Have you watched it?
No, I haven't.
We should go and watch it together.
Okay.
I haven't watched it either.
What's it called?
Something Alien, something. They kept the same branding.
Okay, all right.
But,
I haven't been paying attention to TV or new movies,
same.
so
same.
I don't
But
know what's going on.
we should go and check it out.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
Sound good?
All right, once again, hit the subscribe button, Mr. M's podcast, and let's go for, oh, shit.
Okay, so this
Dude. What happened to the Hopium?
making sandwiches. Making some sandwiches.
Full of the brown stuff, man. The brown stuff sandwich.
Cold. It's not even warm.
Damn.
All right, so this is kind of concerning a little bit. So the FTX and Alameda, they had a ton of Solana, if you remember. This is the reason why when Da Vinci told me back in the days that when we seen a major dump on Solana, you said it's going up like $100. I was like, is it going up to $100? Oh, man, not sure. Well, it went in the end. But look what happened there. They are unstaking $431 million worth of Solana. So now, why would they unstake it? Well, it's because they want to sell it, maybe move it. So this is not looking great. So this could mean we see maybe another drop.
You know, now after seeing this, I have to take another look at the charts to see what I've missed. I really thought that, okay, well, we could turn this thing around. But man, it's already $1 billion sold out and from FTX. Another $500 million is just ridiculous, right? It's just going to actually crush us all.
Yeah.
Right?
I love this question. What is Ethereum going? You don't want to know. We're not going to... No, stay tuned. I'll answer that later. Just, you don't want to know where it's going.
Oh, man, damn. Yeah, while it's belonging to the defunct crypto exchange FTX, and bankrupt trading firm Alameda Research unstaked over 3 million Solana tokens. It's the largest Solana unlock since it started selling off company tokens in November 2023. On March 4th, a blockchain and analysis firm Look On Chain flagged FTX and Alameda's wallet unstaking 3.03 million Solana tokens.
Okay, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is this?
-50. This is really bad. This is 1 to 10, as 10 being really bad.
Yeah.
Okay, then it's off the charts, like we're at 100, right?
But I got what you said negative anyway.
Yeah.
So, okay, this is bad.
Damn, G. It's like, damn, G.
Yeah.
What we all do.
I mean,
we're all gonna die.
If you look into this objectively, why would you unstake something? Well, by the way, I think Solana has, I think it's 4 days after you unstake. So we'll find out in the next 4 days why they're unstaking it. But if you want to move the Solana from one address to another, you have to unstake it, right?
That's fracking great, man. That's fracking great. What are we all supposed to do? We're in some pretty deep stuff now.
Breathing the hopium. Or just like put your seatbelt on.
Damn. Damn.
Again, I don't want to spread fat, but hey, look at this. This is positive, right? From a realized loss perspective, the initial Bitcoin drop triggered the largest flash of the cycle, which is good-ish. And there's been almost another million in losses. So this shows how intense the move was and how difficult the liquidity grab has been. You mentioned it, remember? You said that there is a lot of liquidity, they want to get it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's exactly what happened.
That's exactly what happened. Somebody had to buy that, and y'all know who them those guys were, man. Those mofo's were the U.S. government and all the institutional players. They need your liquidity. You freaking out in order to buy, because they can't buy up markets because there's no liquidity there. Because when prices are going up,
You see you and me going long.
right?
The blanket.
You're not willing to sell, right? Not in large amounts because you think it's going higher. That's just human nature.
Yeah.
But human nature works like this. If the price is going down, they're going to sell. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So all you have to do is engineer price moving down.
Exactly. Especially now we have institutions involved. Those guys are not in for the tech, right? So they're going to sell to a profit.
Yeah.
All right, so this is something I wanted to ask you because Quinton, shout out to Quinton, is amazing. And he posted this, which was a repost from Bitcoin Magazine Pro. And it was supposed to be a good chart, but I'm scared. So this is where my hopium has finished. Look at this. They go, do not panic, okay? Bitcoin short-term holder realized price, and you can see that we broke the yellow line where the arrow is. That shows that if you look into the previous instances, that's the bear market. So I'm like, I'm not panicking, but I'm saying,
dude, don't scare the people, man. Right? They're just children, right?
This is not good looking. I mean, it depends on how you look into this thing. I mean, if you, there is a bunch of different ways you can skin this cat, by the way.
That's great. That's motherfucking great.
If you are hoping for lower Bitcoin prices to accumulate, there you have it. But we've not seen it before into a bull market that we've gone under.
6 months from retirement, and now I'm going to buy it on this rock. Oh, again, that was from Aliens as well.
But I mean, would you or could you entertain the idea that this bull market is indeed different for some reasons? Because we have seen, we have a crypto president, we have Bukele, which is a Bitcoin president, we have the ETFs, institutions, so different players. It's a different game, right?
Yeah, and so different price action movements, right? So everybody's, basically looking at each other, trying to get the liquidity out of the market, and the best way to do that is to get it from the retail people who are, So I guess once they squeeze out all the retail, right? That's it. The only way to buy is to raise the price. Yeah. So we have to wait for the retail to leave, right? And then to say, okay, this was a waste of time. I lost all my money and blah, blah, blah. I'm out. They're gone. And once that happens, that's probably when they're going to run this thing like you've never seen before, because that's all they can do, right? Once there's no more retail.
Well then, yeah.
Right? Once only Michael Saylors are left in the market who don't care, just buy, what is left?
Bunch of honey badgers.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. And by the way, speaking about Michael Saylor, you guys know that on the 7th, so a couple of days from now, there's going to be a crypto conference thing at the White House, and Michael Saylor has been invited, which is great.
Yeah.
So
let's take a look at this rainbow thing. And if the positive thing about this rainbow thing, even though it looks like...
Is there positive stuff in there? Where are you finding it?
I found it just as I switched over. I saw it. Because before, when we were talking this rainbow, I only saw negative.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, you found positive?
Yes.
Guys, smash the like button. I want to know.
It's some serious hopium, though.
Okay, I liked. I'll take it. Take anything. I'll take anything.
See, what happens here is this: when we're in the regular market cycle, right? What happens is markets go like sideways for a long time. So right now, after this bull market right here, this really blow off, this really big one, right?
Yeah.
And then we got a lower market, and then we're getting lower markets blow offs, right? So effectively, right? What happens is, well, you know what? The institutional players, they have all the money, right? So they're going to come in a little bit slower. And then eventually, once it's only institutions who are like, okay, I'm holding this, I don't care. The rest of them who wants to get in, they have to pump the price heavy to get the institutions to get out, the other institution to get out. But they're not going to hold, they're not going to let go. And then you can see way down the chart, way down the time scale, maybe into the next cycle, we come up to this level, right, which is, you know, in the multi-million-dollar level, just to get them to sell.
Okay, I'm buying it. Makes sense. And would you entertain the idea that maybe the cycle is getting extended to 8 years now?
Yeah, exactly. So we could say this year this didn't count, this didn't count, right? And so it really is actually 16 to 32 years, really, unfortunately. But
well, it's still positive.
yeah.
Right.
So 2017 was really the whole shebang, and everything else was just whatever. And so all this is not like is just the slow beat to a bigger band that and crescendo that shows up at the end. So what we could say is this is the 2017 was the last time Bitcoin would go really, really high for a while, at least for the 16 years, right? So let's just go. So this is 4 years, 8 years. So we're taking another 8 years before.
Yeah. So exactly. So this is what I was.
So it's like maybe what are we talking about? That's so 2016 should be our this year 2025. So another 8 years from that, we're talking. Oh man, dude, man.
That's a little bit longer than expected.
Yes, like the 23rd. To 2033,
ish, yeah. Because if you look at because if you look at the rainbow, like the first time we've gone above the red band, then we've got just under it, touched it. The third time we haven't even seen the red, we've gone into the orange, and now we are basically going to the green. And the bottom also is interesting because the purple, the bottom of the band. First time we haven't even touched it. Second time we just about touched it. Third time we dipped into it. And fourth time we were just swimming into it for a long time. This is the longest consolidation I've seen in Bitcoin. And now we're just kind of coming up, half broken. All the beating we've taken for the consolidation phase. So I'm expecting another leg up at least to test the upper bands of the greens or even yellowish.
Like smell the yellow, man. Just smell it.
But
Yeah, I'd even be happy with the yellowish green, man. Come on.
I'll take any color at this point. Give me any color. It's like a purple or blue.
Man, the Hopium tank is just like so empty.
Yeah, it's I'm pulling hard on the Hopium at the minute. So, but hey, maybe this is exactly what they are planning to do, right? Just
Yeah, well, we're here for the long run, so we ain't going anywhere.
exactly. Now, this is a good one. PI, you talked about it. PI cycle top. We are still far away from the top. I think it's indicating 150 at the moment or something around.
Well, at least it's still pointing upwards, which is this is good, right?
Exactly.
Both.
What's the green line? What's the number? If you go over it, does it tell you?
The green line is.
this indicator there. If you go
let's
over.
just move it so that the people see that and you can see it too.
I think indicates like 50,
There you go.
150.
150.
150k, okay, but it will calm down, right? Because if we go sideways, I think the green line is going to start curving, so we won't get the 150. But again, there are a bunch of indicators you should consider, not just one, right? Have a basket.
Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't actually come up to this indicator, right? 120 or something like that, right? Jesus.
Yeah, that's
Before we topped out.
that was interesting. From 108 I would have also expected 120 or something. But yeah, we didn't do that yet. Maybe we'll do it later. February was terrible, which is really unusual. March is now positive. We have numbers we can go after.
And here in the last bull market, we were above it for a long time.
Yep.
We've like kissed it kissed it here, consolidated, didn't kiss.
So I don't know. I mean,
Who knows? You know what? It's been 8 years since like the last super bull market. Well, I guess it would be 2017. No, it's actually I mean, next year will be 2016. Would be 10 years. 8 years. 2027. Sorry, would be 10 years. But I'm just my mind is like so sad that this is like wow. We're like no way. Like, we should have some euphoric. We should be in a euphoric phase here.
I know. That's why I'm also concerned, because we should not be in the place where we are now. I mean, according to some indicators, right? It depends on which one you check, but
Man, the Hopium tank, man, just empty.
yeah. And if you think about everything that has happened with the politics and Trump and the crypto and the SEC, we should be well over above
Exactly.
100K.
Well, Metaplanet, hopefully they're not retail. They're putting in 43 million. If they can just hold that and just go laugh at any kind of like movement down, then we'll see. We'll see as more and more big names come into the space and hold their bitcoins and act like Mike and say, yeah, that's nice. As long as you have the dollar, I'm holding this, right?
Exactly.
Because that's the reality of it. Now you have to be careful, right? You have to be like Mike, where I'm not using this as collateral. This is mine. These bitcoins are
I
mine.
ain't selling.
No. Do you understand how he's doing this? Right? When you lend him, usually when you lend money, it's like, dog, I need some collateral. Can you hook me up with some collateral, please? What do you got? Well, I got some Bitcoin. Okay, I'll use that as collateral, just in case you can't pay me back. Well, Michael Saylor's like, no, dog.
That's my collateral. This is mine.
That's mine.
Yeah.
But you're using my money to buy it. Yeah. So what do I get? You can convert to my stock if you like, but only if we go up 30%.
There you go. We talked about this in the infinite glitch money maker.
Exactly. I mean, that is so genius, right? That is ingenious.
It is, yeah.
Because now it doesn't matter if Bitcoin goes down. Like, let's say Bitcoin goes back to 20K. God help us, but let's say it did. It doesn't matter to him.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
For
It's not
him.
gonna liquidate or anything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Kudos to Michael Saylor. And this is again another metric. Like if you look into, for example, Metaplanet, Strategy Now, and many other. I mean, Rumble have bought 20 million Bitcoin. So there are companies they are scooping up, and we just seen the halving. So just alone for these companies coming in and scooping up, that's a bullish indicator, right? Because they are finishing up scooping up all the supply. So that's interesting. At the same time, Ethereum. Someone was asking in the chat. We're gonna go after the Q&A, but we dropped after, I think, 2000 also. I think we lost 2000, no? Briefly.
Yeah, we did lose 2000 briefly too. I could have swore.
Yeah, I think so.
Jesus.
For the first time in 15 months. I mean, this is supposed to be a bull market. And Ethereum is going lower.
I know, exactly. This is no sunshine.
No sunshine. And they have an ETF, by the way. That's the concerning part.
Exactly, very
Ethereum.
concerning.
Because technically,
people can just easily buy.
Exactly. But nobody cares.
Exactly.
And now the Trump said, "Oh, we're gonna do XRP, Cardano, and Solana."
Still, no care, no love.
No care. I mean,
And
actually,
like, if you look at the chart, the Trump pump chart, it was zero love. You guys gave it zero love. Look at this. You didn't even come back up to its previous where it broke down from the breakdown. So if we go to the hour, 4 hours, or the daily, let's go to the daily so we can see this. Yeah, the Trump pump didn't even take it back from the breakdown level. Once everything else came back to the breakdown level. No love.
Yeah,
Zero.
no love.
Just hate.
Yeah, no love. And speaking about love, yeah, we will discuss about. I wanted to also ask about PI. Stay tuned. I keep asking questions in the chat, guys, because there's going to be a Q&A segment. We're going to talk about PI because PI network is doing something interesting.
Really?
Yeah, it's gone up. I mean, they kept the price, so
They kept the price. How did they do that?
I don't know, but we can look into it. So stay tuned for the Q&A. Thank you for asking. We'll definitely cover it. This is interesting also. Bybit hack launders 100% of the 1.4 billion in just 10 days. Apparently they use Torchain to do it. Bunch of swaps between networks. So they're still saying that they can recover some of them. I'm not sure because this is getting too technical from my understanding. But one, it was crazy that they were able to steal this much. And two, they were
Able to launder it?
Yeah, exactly.
I thought they were screwed.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's all transferred and moved around.
It's just very interesting. Very, very interesting.
Wow.
So do you think they can get away with it? Do you think they can launder everything?
Well, apparently it looks like it can, man. I mean, if there's I don't know if Thorchain, does it have a bridge to a system like I don't know, Monero or something like that? Or if they do, then yeah, you're screwed.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Maybe we should have Ben on the show and talk to him.
Yeah, I can make that happen.
The CEO, the Bybit CEO, because I would love to ask him a bunch of questions. I mean, they've done a fantastic job in covering it, of course. Transparency, super well done. But, well, yeah, according to this article, some people are saying, well, maybe part of it can get recovered. There was also a vote on reversing the transaction on the Ethereum network. Imagine if we had said yes, well, that's it.
It's possible.
Yeah, but that would have been...
That would have been the death nail of Ethereum.
So,
which you can do. They can do it.
Exactly. And maybe they've done it and we don't even know. Or they are
No.
considering.
It would have been just a quick thing to do because there's only 21 validators. And so it wouldn't take long.
Just don't go to them and say, change this. Done.
Yeah, this transaction didn't happen.
How about decentralized?
Yeah. It's already, and if you don't think that that's possible, just remember they already did that before.
Yeah,
It's already been done.
Yeah, it's already been done. Yeah, that's why
There's
probably...
inside the Ethereum code, a transaction that did happen is said that didn't happen. So in this specific code, the code says, yeah, I know that happened, but it didn't happen.
You need to forget that happened. Yeah, kind of what happened. Yeah, that's why people are saying, well, you've done it once, you might as well recover 1.4 billion. But I don't think I don't know if there is a verdict on it. But
yeah, I mean, it could be done, right? I mean, and then, but the problem is they should have done it right away, right? Right now, with that crypto moved, somebody else has the stolen crypto now, right? The stolen Ethereum. So it would mean that they would undo the people who have the stolen Ethereum, right? So it is what it is.
Exactly. Yeah, that's for sure. There was also a big, I think, human error from Bybit in there. It's a combination of things, right?
Yeah.
And like you said, I mean, many people are saying, "Oh, why the hacker didn't steal anything?" Well, they probably had multiple scripts running.
Yeah, exactly.
Like you said, yeah, I agree. So
It just happened
first
to
move
use
is getting punished.
Yeah, the first thing that they moved, right? Because they're only going to move one from their cold wallets, one thing, one time, and one out a week, right? And so this week, as they were preparing to move a small amount to their hot wallets, right? That was set up right away for that heist, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So a few things they did wrong, right? One was not look at the transaction. Two, have everything in one wallet,
That would have been my 100%
right?
advice, saying, why will you store 1.4 billion under one address? That's just suicide. They should have broke it into 10 at least and give it to different addresses with different privileges. But maybe there is a reason why they're doing it. Maybe they need to move. I don't know the old puzzle, right? So it's easy to sit and judge.
Exactly. I mean, there's still because here's the thing: they're moving 80 million at a time. So whatever the max cap amount that you actually move, that would be your wallet size's maximum.
Exactly.
Right. Whatever, just over that. So for example, they should so for example, if that max size has to change, then they change it. It's just and just reorganize. But then it's a lot of work still. And it's not like here's the thing. Somebody came and said, "Hey, this is the idea. This is what we should do," right? And even if they did, it takes forever to implement it in a corporate environment.
Exactly.
Because they have to talk about whether or not why they do some risk assessment. Why? Because this increases the risk through profile. Because if we try to do this now, right, we could end up losing money because we make a mistake. Blah 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 blah. And these are all valid concerns, right? So,
yeah.
So it wouldn't be easy to implement cold, right? From like if there was nothing bad happening. So that's all, right?
Exactly. And like I said, it's easy to sit and judge.
Yes.
Ben.
Exactly.
I mean, guys, managing 1.4 billion in Ethereum, I don't think anyone has ever had that problem before. So again, kudos to them for managing it so well. But again, maybe hopefully it's not going to happen again because now they will have a different process, I would imagine, right? To store things in a different way and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, look at this. March is positive. We are up 3%.
First we're down, then we're up, then we're going to be down again. Right?
Look at February. I would have never thought we've seen a negative 18% almost in February.
Yeah, in the bull market. So look at this bull market.
Yeah.
Well, look, this was. Well, hopefully we get if we get a negative like this big negative, maybe we get a small negative here, and then positive.
That would be
positive.
Some light in the tunnel.
Maybe.
I mean, statistically speaking, February is the second largest bullish month in history. This time we didn't get it. We still have April and then October, right?
Exactly. So let's hope. Let's put the hopium on. If there's no...
Fear and greed is down, but it was 20 anyway.
It was 20, and let's just check to see if this...
It goes down a lot lately.
Yeah,
Guys,
exactly.
what's... there you go. 20 was, there you go. So still, I mean, honestly, Bitcoin is 87,000 and fear is extreme. I like it. That's not a bad place to be, right?
Alrighty.
So
now's the time for the degen section. Section that should you buy anything that we end up buying in this section.
absolutely not.
Take out some your fault insurance.
Yep.
I don't care.
Just enjoy us
If you
getting crushed, right?
exactly, if you want to secure your bloodline, probably not the best way to do it is through meme coins. Probably, it's possible you could do it, but not probable. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So stay away from memes, stay away from everything. Just buy Bitcoin.
Exactly.
That's the play, right? But if you enjoy watching us getting crushed, well, that's the place to be.
Yeah, well, but we're not getting crushed.
We're gonna retire the bloodline.
Exactly. We believe it Because we're degens.
100%. 100%.
All right, so let's go over some of our coins, right? Especially the ones that we still own. Let's just see with rug pull. We haven't been rug pulled by rug pull.
Okay.
And
Happy
we
to
did
know
get
that.
rug pulled by rug pull, but then it did an opposite of a rug pull.
Use protection. Yes, always.
We actually got paid by rug pull.
Yeah, we doubled, no?
I know exactly. If we put more than one double, we would have been like,
What did you say? Could have, would if...
if ifs and buts or cherries is nuts, we'd all have a freaking Merry Christmas.
There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, we gotta maybe put some more. Maybe I don't know. I wish we could get notified. If I could get notified by these, these take profits somewhere. Hey, then I can because this probably occurred over a shorter period of time. Let's see here.
Yeah, most likely.
Let's see if this. Yeah, look at that. So I probably could have been notified, right, on an outage scale, right? Let's see, 1,300, 1,400. Yeah, so on the day, middle of the day, I would have gotten that notification and then added another sell order. We need to look into that to help secure our bloodline properly.
Exactly, because that would be much more efficient, right?
Exactly.
Okay. But still, we are in the green on this one, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So as long as we're not losing, I'm happy.
Some help in the description would be helpful, right? If you, in
The comments.
the comment section, sorry, would be helpful if you can if you find anything that could help us be notified. Probably going to have to be something where we double entry, right? We enter in the sell order, then enter in our notification order, but
There might be a tool we can. I'll look into it as well. Okay, Solana Social Explorer. This
is like emming out
this is exploring the opportunities
to take our money.
Yes. Pretty much what's happening. Did we buy more of these yesterday?
I don't know if we did buy any more.
Well, it
I
looks
think
like it could do a W there.
What the hell? You breathing in, man? Damn.
Pumpy.
Pumpy.
No.
Pumpy. But hey, we didn't buy any pumpy.
Oh, yes.
Remember?
Yes, because you didn't want it.
Yeah.
Nice.
We said because we're having trouble buying it.
Yes. I would have gone in with like heavy.
I know. You would have.
You stopped me with this. It's like I was feeling the pumpy on pumpy, but it is gone dumpy.
Pumpy gone dumpy.
Woo. Keep that one.
All
That's
right.
a good one.
Let's see here.
What
Fade Elon.
Fade Elon? What?
Wow.
Is it the haircut? It's supposed to be the haircut?
This thing's like pumping.
Yeah.
18 million market cap.
Wow.
9 million volume. Wow.
Is that supposed to be the Elon Musk? Ah, yeah. Also, Elon new haircut. Wow. Guys, someone has made a meme coin on Elon Musk.
And it's up to 18 million market cap. Who knew? Who knew? We've missed this.
Clearly buying the top here.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
We're the exit liquidity.
Yeah.
Let's not be exit liquidity today.
Yeah. Not on today. Okay. This is a sweet, cute hamster.
What's it
Boy,
called?
moi, cow. What else?
Pwease. Pwease? Pwease?
Pwease? Pwease? Pwease?
Pwease?
Okay.
Okay. I don't know.
I mean, look at that pump after that dump.
I don't know.
This is the 1 hour chart, right?
Mm-hmm. Pwease? 200K market cap. Pwease?
People have money to put into these things, man.
But it's $1 million went into this thing
Yeah, that's
already. It says 2 million volume, but that's half is sell volume and half is so $1 million dollars in buyers.
$1 million into the Pwease.
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 Pwease. Pwease. Pwease.
We should buy some of
Pwease.
this. We missed the pump completely, right?
It's only beginning, right? Maybe it's gonna go higher.
Maybe we double from here.
Exactly. I'm feeling the Pwease.
Okay, we're up a little bit also. Okay, I like it. Yesterday was like what, 4 something. So we got 5 something. Hey, I'll take it. We're buying Pwease.
I'm gonna buy some.
Okay, makes sense.
I'm a degen. Oh no. Okay, yeah, you know what? Let's not do that when it's like that bad. They can't even get it onto Phantom. Really?
But this is where the gains are made, man. When you get into it and nobody can. Probably doesn't even, Jupiter doesn't even have it either.
I'm sure Jupiter has it. They always have it. Pwease.
You have to want it.
It's gotta have
You have to want it. That's
Pwease.
the major alert, which I would also put an alert on these things. Makes sense.
Pwease.
Pwease.
Pwease, no. Pwease, no. Pwease.
I was about to click. Stefan, you are always fun, man. Thank you for your comments, bro. Please no.
Oh, damn.
It's up to you now. That was a strong comment.
That was strong. Okay, fine. We're not going for Pwease.
Please no.
Retard?
Retard, we gotta have it.
Oh, top.
Oh, that's the vice president, right? Isn't that
Retard.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
There is a very strong option that this is going to 0.
Really? What gave you that idea?
It's very likely. But it's pumping.
What gave you that idea?
I mean, retard, we have to do some digging on
Just do some research.
this. Sounds
Some.
Oh, that's the tweet.
Is this the tweet? No.
We should have some pretty please. What?
What? What the,
I don't know.
what the hell happened there?
I don't know what happened. I think you click on a link and
And it created a tweet.
they created a tweet. Yeah.
Bastards.
Oh, look at that, clever.
Yeah.
Should have said.
Pretty Pwease.
Isn't that
How is that possible?
Isn't that the other one?
Yeah.
Maybe we can reload the page. Something has gone cheeky. They wanted to. Can you do a reload here? And maybe things have messed up. Because that should be the other coin, right?
Exactly. This is crazy.
Let's see.
That's a little cray-cray.
See what happened. Stay safe. Yeah. No, it's the same. Wow. Okay.
How is this possible?
Maybe that's their thing. Maybe that's their slogan, whatever. Wow, Chris, 1.7 million. Congrats. On Twitter. Oh, X.
Yeah, Chris. Remember crypto? See, we missed the pump.
We missed the pump.
We missed it. We missed it.
Missed the pump.
Ah, man.
Missed the pump.
Let's say no to this one. Let's just say no.
Yeah, we can probably confidently move on into something less retarded. Right?
Oh boy, it looks like these coins are all coming back, right? People are actually.
Shadow Astro. Bread. What's bread? What are those? Are those old ones? I remember seeing bread before.
Ooh, it's just bread. It's for our bread and butter.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I was click on Twitter and see what happens. No, yeah, it was just that one.
What the hell? Dude, man. Dude. Really, dude? Really, dude?
At this point,
No effort whatsoever.
it's just bread, bro. It's just bread. Wow. This is not looking good.
You think?
No bread today.
Oh, man.
Please.
Did we do any research on Pwease?
No, we haven't. Because why?
It's for losers.
Not just for losers.
Oh wow, 119.
Solid. Pwease boy soul. Okay.
Is Pwease something like, because there's no way that the two people could have used the same terminology.
I know. That's.
Is that something real, something new, something like we don't know? Like some sort of slang?
Is it like a please, something like that? I don't know.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what this is. Ah, there you go. Okay, go up a little bit. Because JD Vance up again. There you go. JD Vance inspired Memecoin. He probably said Pwease instead of please. Maybe.
Oh.
Or maybe because of a recent statement. Or maybe he said something. That's why. But why they use the little hamster? I don't understand. They should have used...
Maybe it's another...
because they make him a child.
Oh, retard.
The child goes, please. Oh, so they all kind of connected.
I see, said the blind man to the deaf dog.
Oh, boy.
Okay, so there's a real one. And so we got the fake one. There's a real Pwease.
Which is dumping. Can you go on all and see?
We got to get this.
That's it. That's a double bottom right there.
Exactly.
Pwease. Can we get it, please?
Look at that. You see here, the volume is 70 million. Market cap's 20 million.
Wow.
Pwease.
There is a chance that this could go to nothing. Just reassuring you guys watching it. You're going to land into two crazy humans. We were on the wrong one.
Yeah, we almost got the wrong one.
Exactly. Good catch. Okay.
All right.
All right. We will definitely go and retest these right here, levels. Right? But it's good that we get, I mean, we're not buying the top at least. So, should we do one Solana in this?
Hells no.
Damn it. I gotta do a degen call, man.
Let's see here. See, we're not even...
0.01 is a serious investment. Yes. If you put 0.01 is a serious investment.
Exactly.
Exactly. I agree with that one. Okay.
We're getting this.
Getting it.
We're going to go a whole 0.02. We're going to go wild and crazy, not serious.
Why gambling the house there?
Yeah, exactly.
I like it. No selling order because this is a long-term investment.
Exactly.
This
Pwease. Selling order? Pwease.
A Pwease retire, bro. Yeah, that's the sequel.
Damn, we're doing a lot of research here nowadays, right?
Yeah, I know. We shouldn't do these things.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of research.
It is what it is.
But hey, the research paid off though, because we got the real one to rug on us.
We're about to get right for the fake one. So not getting right for the real.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Oh boy.
Oh damn.
Wild Out? What's Wild Out? Number 12. Yeah, that's the one. Wild Out? What's that?
You mean wilding out? Wilding out.
No idea what that is.
It's like when you're going crazy. It's slang for going crazy.
Oh, okay.
Me wilding out. Wilding out.
Okay.
We're wilding out in the trenches.
Someone said it. Maybe someone.
Yeah,
famous.
I guess so. I don't know. Well, I feel the need because that's what we do.
I feel the need. I love it.
Because we're wilding out here. We're wilding out.
Let's do it.
It's me wilding out.
Liquidity is locked. That's the only check. I mean, I never had a checklist before, but the liquidity lock has to be in there, so you can get rugged with confidence.
Exactly. Rug with confidence. Liquidity lock.
Check. All right.
Damn.
Let's get some of these.
Wow, what's up with this, man?
Do you think Dex Screener is getting serious? They're putting some security.
No,
checks.
that's not Dex Screener. This is Phantom.
Phantom. Sorry, yeah, Phantom.
Wow.
Maybe because these things are so new, the Phantom is not even.
This is so degening that we have to.
I have to go on Jupiter. Wow.
Let's put some cell over here while now.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Pwease.
Pwease with some
Oh damn.
Oh boy. Yeah, we have to this because yeah, this is risky.
Really? No.
As if anything else is not, by the way.
No.
It's like wild and out. It could secure the bloodline.
Exactly.
Same
Because we're
time.
wilding out.
Yeah. If you put a selling order, you're not really wilding out, though.
Mm-hmm.
You're kind of halfway, but
We're half-assing it. Oh damn.
okay. Now I feel more
Confident.
confident. That was definitely a right call. Okay. If
All
we,
right.
if we would have done this from the beginning, by the way, we probably would have.
Okay, well,
Say
the time's running out, so we gotta do some quick questions, just Q&A.
Q&A. All right. I saved a bunch. Where is Bitcoin going? Is asking.
Right in what time frame? Where?
Should say 2025
So this year.
this year.
Well, let's see here. Looks like Bitcoin, right, should go to over 150K this year, right? According to, the Pi cycle indicators and all the other positive looking indicators that base Bitcoin's past behaviors, looking into forward behaviors with, the halving cycle, right? However, you can see that there are some other indicators that say, okay, what the heck is going on? We should not be doing this.
At this time, yeah. So some
At this
indicators are
point.
confused.
Yeah, exactly. So we could say, basically we could say that this is just probably not part of the everything that happened all to 100K was not part of the real bull run. The real bull run is just coming. And that's a possibility that we can't just simply ignore. Okay? So let's put that hopium mask back on.
Next one is where Ethereum is going. I don't want to answer.
Yeah, exactly.
It's going in a place which is you don't want to know.
Dark.
Dark, cold.
If we come back to 3K, you need to get out.
3K would be your
Your
bounce,
exit. Yeah,
basically.
exactly.
I mean, even
close
if
to it, yeah.
you're $1,000 away from it, 900, whatever.
Yeah, 2,800. You go.
Yeah, I have so much health getting smashed. Yep, that's the sentiment. Altcoin season at
It's
this
over.
point, it's a myth, right?
It's
It might
yeah.
come in.
It's over because you can see it in the what's it called, the Bitcoin dominance, right? It's over. Dream on.
Yep. Lots of questions about PI. We can pull it out. Did you mind if we go on CoinGecko or somewhere? We just because it's I think it's top 20 now, man.
Really?
Yeah, I checked this morning because I still have some PI coins somewhere because I was mining on my cell phone. If you go on CoinGecko, you will see that I don't think it's not sure it's this one.
This is it.
Market cap. Sorry, sorry. I thought it was on.
This is it.
Michelle.
Wow.
Look at this.
It dumped to 67 cents and now it's
And it pumped again. And if you look at the number, I don't know. I never use CoinMarketCap, but where is it in the? It's in the top 20, no?
yeah, and the volume is like 800
11.
million.
It's number 11, man.
Jesus Christ.
Market cap.
It's 13 billion market cap. How is this possible?
Exactly. So top 11. Yeah, thank you, Aziz. Exactly, top 11. So what? I have a feeling, I don't know if you agree, this is going to do like, remember Ton has gone in, boom, from nothing, top whatever 10, and everyone was like, Ton. I was like, guys, I don't have Ton. They done some dodgy stuff. They didn't even have said how many they have in reserve. There's some shady business. What is Ton now? It's going down, right?
Down, yeah.
So I think this thing is going to do the same thing. It popped in, I think it's going to pop off. So I don't have any, by the way, I have not studied, I don't have any information, so I'm not saying
So you do you.
exactly, but I don't have any confidence.
I don't got anything. I don't got nothing on this, man. So it's kind of spooky, guys. You gotta understand. It went from nothing to top 11. How?
Yeah, and who's buying this? I know a lot of people, they wanted to sell it because I remember I was still in the UK when I was mining with my cell phone. So, and all the people I know, they were waiting to sell it. So who the heck is buying this? That's the question you have to, and why? So who's buying it and why they're buying it?
Exactly. I don't understand why.
So I don't know.
It's a meme coin, man. Meme coin player.
Yeah, I don't know. But hey, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's going to do well. So
Exactly. Maybe.
if you have it,
You guys
congrats.
tell us, man.
Yeah,
'Cause
exactly.
We don't get it.
We don't know. We don't get it. Mark is saying thoughts on Sui compared to Solana in the short term.
Short term. Well, I think Sui is probably just going to follow whatever Solana does, right? I mean, probably just with a worse outcome, right? Or better outcome, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. So people are asking about Bitcoin dumping to 73.
Yeah, I would say that would be the bottom for Bitcoin if we dump at all. 73. Okay.
Yep.
All right, guys. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. We got like 107 likes, man. Dude,
We need to pump it harder so we can stay longer.
Jesus.
You said 250, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
maybe we can do a couple of questions and then
We're
stop
out.
it there.
We're out.
Sounds good.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Cheers.